Hey, let me,
No, about 30 minutes.
The fuck?
Just give it back to me in 30 minutes.
Is that alright? Let's call you back unless I can text these people, they keep texting. Alright, buddy. Bye.
Dude, where's the bird? Dude, it's the bird.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah, it is. Because I just thought the same fucking thing, bro.
Nah, it's funny, dude.
Dude, not.
The bird inside
Your
of our
monkey
bird?
ass. No, they got a bird up there in the tree.
Bullshit.
Where else is a bird?
Somebody give me a lighter.
Man, anybody got any money on them?
No.
Anybody got any, like a dollar or something, like 74 cents?
No.
It's what, 63 cents. I need to say, go.
Are you recording this? Dude, she's recording this.
You got any,
No.
you got any change left over?
Oh, why are you so
I gave it to
goddamn
you.
violent? You like Eli when he get violent. When he smokes, he's like, come on, nigga, what? Nigga, you got bro? Man, shut up.
Shut up, bitch.
I'm high right now.
Hell yeah, we walked up the Kiko's.
You're slimy.
We walked
Get the fuck off.
We walked the Kiko's.
Oh, man, you got shit on your back.
Hey, we walked the Kiko's.
What?
We're walking the Kiko's, okay?
Okay.
Why?
I got money.
How much? For what? Dude, you better get me one.
Okay.
Any change on you?
Here's the thing.
I might be able to slide on some cents. I don't know.
Let's go back to the house.
No.
Let him walk.
I ain't buying
He's
your
only
shit.
going to
I ain't
get
buying
one
your shit.
Oh, nigga, we could go back to the house. I got a bunch of change shit in there.
No.
I mean, like a bunch of fucking change. Like over $2.
Like, I got $1.10. Okay, Pagos are, alright, 60
126 with tax.
How about this?
What?
It'd be 126.
Hold up. How about this?
Can you slide on 16 cents?
Maybe.
How about this?
How about
Well, that's
you two
amazing.
keep walking, me and him will go back to the house and get the money.
No. How about this?
Where's the house?
Nigga, I ain't gonna sell it for long.
I said I'm going to go with you.
We'll wait right here.
That's why I'm saying.
Don't touch my girlfriend.
Yeah, what he said.